Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to trim white spaces from a string. So guys, we can use the strip method to remove the leading and trailing white spaces in a given string in the Python programming language. So let us check this with the help of example in the VS Code over here. So let's say we have the string variable that is str1, and let's say we have the string value as programming for beginners, which is the name of this YouTube channel that you should definitely subscribe if you have not done so. So over here we have the string that is programming for beginners. Now guys, let us say we have the leading spaces over here. So we have some extra space characters, and then in the end as well we have couple of more extra space characters over here. So how this particular string will be printed, let us check that. So let's say we have this print statement over here, and we use this str1 variable in order to print the value of the string. So let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we have got the leading space characters over here before the programming for beginner string is being printed. We also have the ending space characters as well, which we cannot see because that is the end of the string. So guys, what we can do in order to remove these space characters, it can be any number of space characters over here. So we can simply use the strip method. So after this variable name, we can use dot followed by strip method over here. As you can see, it returns a copy of the string with the leading and trailing white space removed in this case. So when we provide the strip method, the leading space characters will not appear now. So let me just save this file once again and try running this code. So as you can see, we have got the string that is programming for beginners, and there is no space characters before the string over here right now. So by using the strip method, we can easily remove the leading and trailing white spaces. Guys, what if we have the /n character over here at the start of the string? So will this /n character be removed by the strip method? Yes, it will be removed. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, we don't have any blank line over here. We simply have the string that is programming for beginners and no white space characters as well. Guys, what if we only want to remove the white spaces and we want to retain this /n character so that we get the blank line first and then followed by the programming for beginners string over here. So what we can do is inside this strip method, we can use the characters that we want to remove. So we can provide the space character over here, which is the white spaces. So what exactly we are doing is over here we are telling the strip method to only remove the white space characters and no other characters to be removed from the string. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, this time we are getting the blank line over here. That's because this /n character was not removed while we are using the strip method in this case, and then we are also getting the programming for beginner string on the next line over here on the terminal. So guys, this is the way that we can use the strip method in order to remove the leading and trailing white space characters as well as the /n characters. So please make sure that you practice on your own so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to get the file name from the file path. So stay tuned.